Hi, good afternoon, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, it's your girl Irene, and if you're new, thank you so much for clicking, and if you're coming back to watch again, thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I'm sure you can see from the title what I'm going to be doing to my hair. Actually, I've seen a lot of videos about people using Vaseline, petroleum jelly, to define their hairs, to define their coils and all that. And today I want to give it a trial. I want to find out for myself how true it is. Actually, look at the one I tried last night. I kind of applied it here, and somehow it made it stand one and strong. So I felt like maybe if I could do it my whole hair, and find out what it's going to look like. So if you're going to follow me on this journey, please make sure to subscribe and to like, because it's free. So we're going to get down in the video. So actually I have my bottle of water with my oils inside it. So I'm going to get a part of my hair now. I don't know, I think I'm going to take my hair little by little.
Alright, yeah.
Basically, what I do is I'll, detangle my hair, stretch it. First of all, use brush to brush it, and then use comb to, detangle it. Add my blue seal Vaseline. And first of all, I'll spray water on it to moisturize it. Here you get, and then I add my blue seal Vaseline, and then twist it. As you can see, the Vaseline is coming out. You see? So guys, can you believe this? Wow. So this one is a little big, so I decided to retwist it. As you can see, I've divided it into two and I'm retwisting it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, see how my hair looks after using Vaseline to define my hair, to twist my hair. Look at what you look like. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up if you love this video, and then comment down below what you think about this hair. Guys, see? I love you all. Bye.